In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create the Chrome text effect. To download the font, just go to thefont.com. In the search, type in CGF, locus resistance, click on search, and this is the one you want right here. Just click on download here, and then once you install it, just go to Photoshop. I'm just go to File, New, let's do 2000 by 1500, resolution at 72, click on Create, and let's go ahead and do Control I to invert this, and let's go ahead and go to Filter, Noise, add noise. I'm gonna do about maybe 7, let's do 6. I'm gonna fill this in with black, so I'm just make sure this is black right here. Let's click OK, fill that in. I'm gonna do Alt backspace, and I'm gonna do E for the eraser, or you can select the mask right here. I'm just do the mask. So I'm gonna select the mask, B for brush, and I'm gonna make sure this is black. Bring the hardness all the way down, size, keep it at 18. Maybe bring the size of the brush down a little bit. And let's brush that like that. So just create that vignette around it like that. And let's go ahead and bring up the levels down here on the adjustment. I'm gonna just brighten the background just a little bit, kind of like that. All right, now let's go to the text and let's type in Chrome, and I'm gonna hold Shift and Alt, bring the size of this up. You can see it a little bit. The text has to be black for this to work. So I'm just going to go ahead and change this to CGF, locus resistant. So I'm going to select that and make sure you check this so that way it's all capitalized. Because if you don't, I don't know if you can see it, but it has those spots right there. So we don't want that. Capitalize that. And I'm doing Control T, hold Shift and Alt. And again, we need to change it to black. So I'm going to go here, just bring that back to black. Alright, so now for the fun part, let's go ahead and double click the text, select the bevel, and let's go ahead and go to the contour and make sure this one's checked. Select anti-alias, change that to 25. Let's go back to bevel. So make sure this inner bevel, smooth, depth, let's do a 385. And let's go down here, let's change this, select that, anti-alias, let's do overlay, and let's change that to 60. And let's change this to white, and let's change this to lighten, and let's do 60. Actually, let's do 90, and let's change the angle to -90, and bring the size of this kind of like and make sure it changes to 40. And to fix that, or depending on how you want it to look, you can make it look like that. So mess around with the size of it. So I'm liking that. Let's go ahead and add a drop shadow, and let's bring the size down, spread down, distant down. Make sure that's at normal. Make sure that's black. And opacity at 100. Now just bring the size up. And we could, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, that's a drop shadow. So just a little bit, maybe bring the size down, about right there. Maybe add another one. And for this one, let's go ahead and bring the size up. Opacity down just a little bit. So just a softer shadow for that part. Just a little bit like that. Just click OK. And if you want, I'm going to leave a link to the PSD. Again, thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you guys next time.